Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new tumbler project. Here we go. Okay, so 2 times before, I have tried to use my Daler-Rowny Pearlescent liquid acrylic inks. I'm doing basically the waterfall or flood the cup method that I do with alcohol inks, but this is acrylic ink. This is not alcohol ink. So it was a little bit different, and I finally realized after doing this tumbler here, this was when I did it on a white base, and then I did this tumbler here on a black base. And by the time I got done with that tumbler, I had a much better understanding of how this works and how best to do it. So I am doing another viewer suggestion, which is, you guessed it, the rainbow. Roy G. Biv right here. And I do a lot of rainbow tumblers on this channel. It's just the kind of wacky person I am. I have my turner here that goes about 6 RPM. I'm going to turn it on. We're going to see how it works. I'm going to put each one on. I'm going to use a gloved finger to smooth it out. I'm going to start applying more ink and spritzing it with my ultra fine mister. He's so fine. That holds just plain old distilled water. And we'll see if we can do this or not. It may be a total fail. Don't know. It's an experiment. And we'll just get going. Okay, now we'll see what happens. All right, I'm just gonna let it ride. Okay, we're back. So we have this gorgeous rainbow tumbler with acrylic pearlescent inks all over it and a layer of KS Ultra UV liquid stone resin. And now I'm going to apply a decal, and I'm using my favorite Nito brand printable vinyl, using it as a print then cut file. See if I can cover up my blemishes here. Wonderful gnome with all the pretty balloons. I'm going to tack the decal on with some UV resin. I will just put a very thin coat over the gnome and outside of the edges. Put it under a black light because I don't have any sunshine today. It is very gray and rainy and miserable here. So we use our black light, and once that's cured, I will put a layer of KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV all over the whole thing, or Marabou Rainbow Alcohol ink, just so this guy sparkles too, because everyone needs to sparkle. The next time you see this should be out in the sunshine, so stay tuned for that.